Today, I am reviewing the MSI Crosshair 18HX AI 18-inch gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you are hunting for a true desktop replacement laptop, it is incredibly easy to accidentally settle for a machine that forces you to choose between massive screen real estate and elite graphics power. Many modern laptops try to straddle the line by being thin and light, but for hardcore competitive gamers, hardcore game developers, and advanced visual effects creators, sacrificing thermal overhead and performance for a razor-thin chassis is an absolute deal-breaker. That is exactly why the upgraded configuration of the MSI Crosshair 18HX AI demands your full attention. This massive, 18-inch portable battle station rejects the trend of compromise, opting instead for maximum physical cooling space and bleeding-edge computing components. Outfitted with the highest tier of next-generation processing power and next-level graphics architecture, this machine quietly establishes itself as one of the most formidable performance tools available today. The primary highlight of this laptop is undoubtedly its stunning 18-inch QHD+ display. Pushing a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels in a progressive 16 by 10 aspect ratio, it gives you a massive canvas that fills your entire peripheral vision. Moving from a standard 15 or 16-inch laptop to this monstrous panel completely changes how you experience games and visual workloads. With an ultra-rapid 240 Hz refresh rate, fast-paced action sequences feel completely fluid, eliminating ghosting and screen tearing entirely. Because it covers a full 100% of the wide DCI P3 color gamut, the colors are deep, vibrant, and highly color-accurate, meaning you can edit professional cinematic projects or master photographs on it with complete confidence. Driving this gorgeous display is the powerhouse pairing of the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor and the next-generation NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card with 8 GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 dedicated video memory. The Core Ultra 9 chip is an absolute powerhouse, featuring 24 computational cores that split heavy gaming logic from background operations intelligently. When you pair this desktop-tier CPU with the advanced architecture of the RTX 5070, the gaming benchmarks are staggering. You can run demanding AAA games with full real-time ray tracing and advanced deep learning super sampling turned on, and the frame rates remain remarkably high and stable. This machine is also supported by an upgraded 32 GB of high-bandwidth DDR5 memory, meaning you can stream your gameplay, chat with your community, and run intensive local background tools simultaneously without experiencing a single microstutter. Storage and peripheral capabilities on this specific configuration are equally impressive. Out of the box, the machine is packed with a massive 3 TB of total storage space, which is split between a blazing fast 2 TB internal solid-state drive and an included premium 7-in-1 docking station that houses an extra 1 TB storage drive. This unique setup completely solves the chronic storage problem that plagues modern gamers, giving you ample room for massive game installations and enormous high-definition video assets. The physical build features a brilliant 24-zone RGB backlit keyboard with highlighted WASD keys, providing an exceptionally comfortable, clicky typing experience with deep key travel. The port selection is fully kitted out for enthusiast workflows, boasting a dedicated Thunderbolt 4 port, 3 high-speed USB ports, HDMI 2.1 for high-refresh external displays, and a physical gigabit Ethernet port for lag-free wired networking. Running on the enterprise-ready Windows 11 Pro operating system and backed by an excellent dual-upgrade warranty program. This MSI Crosshair 18HX AI is a phenomenal, future-proof choice for anyone who demands uncompromised desktop-level performance wherever they go.